Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to you search your mobile network. Sometime our mobile network fail. We see our mobile inside no have any network. So how do you repair our network system? So we need to go at first our mobile setting. You follow me, and we want to go connection and we go mobile network. Here we see mobile network operator will come, and you see the mobile network search. Here must be click. If we click here, our mobile network searching. After here coming our mobile network, and we will select that network and we can get the network service. So must be here searching. You see now coming our mobile network service, Grameenphone, Trialtalk, Banglalink and Robi. This is our mobile network, this site network. So must be click which on your SIM card, must be click here. So you click and register on Grameenphone. If you register like this, must be selected your network service. So like this process you must be use. If you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.